Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.